How to delete images and video in Grok Imagine. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your images or video on Grok AI. So it is actually your favorites and saved images and video. All you have to do is to head straight to Grok.com's official website, and if you have saved them on your account, then you must log in. Next thing you want to do is to go and just do this option here that says Imagine, and you should be able to see this pre-made templates right here from featured templates, discover, and all. Now, if you have logged in into your account, you should be able to see my media or my saved files. All you have to do into that specific images or video is you must click the option here that says unsave. Once you've done that, it will automatically be removed into your media files or into your favorite folders. And that is how you delete images and videos in Grok Imagine.